My oldest daughter's initials are NBA. I love basketball so much. True story. Off the strip. I love it. Oh, here they come. Woohoo! Yes, I look to your left.
I'm so excited about it. Stand up.
Y'all look.
What does it call?
The spear. The something something spear. $2 billion. And I wanted to see the basketball so bad. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness.
I wonder how often it changes pictures.
I don't know. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome. Say it ain't so. I met Tracy. We're on Las Vegas Boulevard on a side street.
You're going the wrong way. Ready?
Oh no, it's not a picture, it's a video. Get on that side. Now. Yay! I love it. Look how cute that is. That entrance. Ooh. Delightful. Oops, sorry. Oh, Tilted Kilt. We had one of those in Gonzales. Overseen this? There they go. That's where we were right there, Brooklyn Bowl. Oh, a hidden Oasis bathroom. When you're down here, here's your restroom. The basketball. Look at the basketball again. $2 billion. That's dumb.
I love it.
No. No. Oh my God. Wait. Oh my.
So real.
Oh my God.
You gotta send me those pictures.
This is a video.